Today is a big travel day for us. We're going to be traveling from Laos to China via rail. We're in front of the Luang Prabang railway station. We don't really know what we're doing, but let's go. And this is it, Luang Prabang railway station. Beautiful, grand. All right, first fail. We got our QR code ticket, but that's not really a ticket. You got to go and convert it into a real ticket. So we lined up there and they said to come over here to another room. National train ticket. There's water dripping into the bucket here. Thank you. Yeah. Sorry. All right, we're in. Fantastic. Got our tickets. They checked it. It's all good. This is my phone in there. Whew. All good. My bag, yeah.
Scissor.
Scissor? Okay. Scan it. Leave this here? Or you're gonna put it all back in? Huh? Put it inside. Not in here, right? Not in here? No, it's toothbrush. No, I don't think there's scissors. I didn't see any. Okay, we're all good. I apparently had some scissors, so I did have some scissors in my bag. I didn't even realize they were there. And they had to rescan the bag twice. I had to pull out all my stuff twice. And embarrassingly enough, there was a pair of scissors inside. What'd you get?
Just coffee.
Oh yeah. Just one to share?
I think we're gonna have to board soon.
Yeah.
So how's the next one?
Okay, this is what the ticket looks like. So it's from Luang Prabang to Xishuangbanna. And that's Xishuangbanna is in China. Seat is 11C. There's two classes on this train. There's just like second class and first class. And we've gone for the first class ticket. When you're in China, there's three classes for trains. There's second class, first class, and then business class. And business class is actually above first class. But in this train here in Laos, it is there's only two classes. This train terminal doesn't sell any food, just drinks. We've ordered a coffee from Cafe Amazon here. I've got plenty of water this time. If you saw my previous video in Japan where we took the bullet train, we didn't have any water. They didn't sell us any. So we got the water, we don't have the food. So hopefully they sell us food on the train. This train station also looks very much like the train stations that you find in China, like the infrastructure, and I'm pretty sure that China built this one. And if you look at the train out here, which is the one we're going to be catching pretty soon, it looks very much like one of those seats. You can even see like China rail. On the go? Okay. It looks like the infrastructure and the railway system in Laos has been built by China. So I think it's a good thing because the China railway, I've taken it before, it's awesome. So it's fast and efficient. Okay, we got our coffee now. It's Cafe Amazon. Let's have a sip of this. I needed that. It's very stressful getting in here. Okay, we must be D86 Luang Prabang in Xishuang. Oh no, that's not the right one. Oh, Vientiane de Kunming. No, we're C97. Yeah, so on the board it says D88 Vientiane de Kunming Nan.
That's the destination, but we stop
Oh,
at
okay.
Xishuangbanna.
Right. Okay. How confusing. I just found my friends over here. I'm gonna say hello to them for the last time. Hey fellas. Jesus, I knew we were gonna see you guys again. Where are you guys going? Hanoi. Oh, okay. We're going to Xishuangbanna, China. So, yeah. Xishuangbanna. D88. Yeah. Oh, okay. Best of luck, guys. So I'll see you soon. ขอบคุณครับ สวัสดีครับ Bye bye. See ya. Hey, through. Okay. D88. Go downstairs. Yep. This is the train here. Massive one. Oh crap. Oh man, down the escalators on the outside, so I've got to carry my extremely heavy bags here. Oh wow, look at this. This is sci-fi. So on the right you can take the stairs, left is the escalator. We got the big bag, so we got to take the escalator.
扶梯加速，请注意。
Trying to cut the line, eh?
So I just cut him.
On the left side, there's a lot of shipping containers arriving from China Railway, and behind us, these beautiful hills of Luang Prabang.
ไปหลวงพระบางมา2 วันแล้วเหมือนกันก็เลยค่อยๆไปใช่
Oh, is that train? Some guy coming off there smoking. Welcome. Back.
Not even there.
Over here.
Otherwise you have no.
I can put it up the top. I can put it up the top, sorry.
Please wind the gap between the train and the platform. This is not a destination.
That's so dirty, that's chaos. That was extremely stressful, as it always is. Catching a international train. This is a first class seat. I can show you kind of what we've got here. This is my leg room here. We have a hook here. You can recline the seat here as well. Hopefully the guy behind me doesn't get. Oh, sorry. I just knocked something over. And you can pull this thing out. Move that out of the way. And I got my own table. And you can do a bit of work here, which is what she's currently doing. It's a 240 volt here and a USB charger. So because we're leaving Laos on the train, we have to fill in this departure form. We have to go through the immigration, isn't it, on the Laos side. And then I think we immediately have to enter the immigration on the China side. But we'll see what happens. We've got to fill in this form to leave Laos. I'm going to go look for some food on this train, and apparently I go down to cart number 4, train number 4, and this train is definitely made by China. All the staff speak Mandarin only, or Thai, but mostly Mandarin. And let's just go have a look at this train here. Train code D88. Now this is second class seats. You can see there's 3 seats on one side. On Yeah, there's 3 seats on one side, 2 seats on the other side. Ours, I think, has 2 seats on the other side. Oh, here we go. Alright, looks like we found the kitchen. Oh yeah. Let's go buy some food. Alright, there's not a lot of options here. I think I might have to go the Langzhou beef noodles, which I think is that one there. It's an instant one. And you can get a ham and egg sandwich as well. Maybe I'll just grab one of these first. 120 kip. Can I buy Lanzhou beef noodles?
Oh, Lanzhou, okay.
Yeah. And is everyone buying the grilled sausage? Is that popular? This one here, grilled sausage?
Oh, sausage.
One sausage.
Okay.
Yeah.
哦，小心哦，阿姨小心哦，那边也有的，那边有开学的。吓死我了！
这边160。对。
你在几号车？
什么？
你30号车先。你在几号车？
我在什么？
你在几号车？
哦，1号。
15号。11号。
11
哦
C
11。
Yeah.
C.
C.
Okay.
Yeah, 11C. You bring it to me?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, thank you so much.
There. Is it there or here?
There.
Number. Your calling number.
Sorry?
Your calling number.
My car number?
Yeah, I can see your ticket.
Oh yeah, okay. Hold on. They finally delivered my noodles. I got a Lanzhou noodles here. I overheard the staff saying in Chinese that you can't bring fruit into China at all and it has to be thrown out or eaten. So we've got a huge box of fruit here which we bought yesterday at the market, so we've got to go eat that as well. Didn't realise I had to do that. And let's go check out this Lanzhou noodle. Ta-da! Whoa. So that's it. This is 100,000 kip cost me, which is quite, I don't even know how much that is, but I'm assuming it's a lot. And it's instant noodles. And I also got a sausage. Should be interesting. Let us try the sausage. Not bad. Kind of sweet. Not sure how good the quality of the meat is, but very, very tasty. This was popular. I saw like 3-4 people buying this thing, and they bought not just one, they bought like 3 or 4 of them. We got now. Mini chopsticks. Look how small these are. How am I supposed to eat this? Look at the size of the spoon. And also a packet of chili oil. She actually asked me if I wanted to be spicy or not, and I said probably not. Alright, let's try this noodles. No, it's really hard to eat it with a chopstick this small, hey? You gotta have skill. I thought I had skill, but this is impossible. What the hell? Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna have to do this. Let's do this. Noodle train noodles. Oh, far out, it's so hot. Very, very hot. There's even pieces of beef here. Lanzhou beef.
Ladies and gentlemen, the train is arriving at Please mind the gap.
We've just arrived at Mengsai station.
If this is not your destination,
That's still in Laos, I think.
to the reminder of departure.
Definitely still in Laos.
Thank you.
That is not the freshest beef. No flavour, cardboard.
女士们、先生们，欢迎您乘坐本。
Okay, guys, we have arrived at, I think it's called Morten Station, and this is the we actually have to take everything off, go through immigration, apparently, and then jump back on the train again with the same bags and the same seats.
First we have to scan our bag.
Oh yeah, we scan our bags for
We just
China.
want to make sure that we don't bring any thing that like food or like fresh fruit or seeds.
That's right. So fruit, you can't bring fruit into China as well. Okay. All right. So this is really the border town of Laos and China. People are running. Why are they running? There's no need to run because we're all the same train, right? I don't get it. Same seat as well, yeah. So you can run if you can run if you want, but you can see it says international exit. Not sure what these guys want, but number 12. Let's turn this corner. International exit. It's called Boten Station, Boten Railway Station. Jinglai. Better get my documents ready. It's every man for himself here. Come on. Okay, they just wanted to see the ticket, so it's all good. And now we're going to go, so this is the security checkpoint into China now. And there's people just pushing in, they don't give a shit. Okay. Okay, I'm through. I'm into China. That was a bit touch and go for a second because I don't have a visa, but everything I read online said I can get in visa free with an Australian passport now, and that seems to be the case, so we're through. Hell yeah. Yeah, we're in. They stamped my passport. This is a...
Arrival card, they haven't taken.
Oh, they haven't checked it. All right, so I'm not in yet.
I think there's another one.
Oh, that's getting out of... Oh, so that was getting out of Laos.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm not in... All right, so that was just to get out of Laos. We now have to do the next one to get into China. You know what's going on?
We have to wait until 11:50.
Yeah.
She said the boarding time.
Departure. Oh,
Another 20 minutes.
Wait a minute. But do we have to go through another... Not sure. Okay, so there's not a lot of instructions here. We're just in this waiting room now. We did go through a immigration, but that could have been just to leave Laos. So it's a bit confusing. All right, our train is about to get checked in. There's a lot of fiery people in front of us, yelling and screaming at each other, and I think they're all part of a tour group. It's all good. You can hear them there. Anyway, we just remain calm. Alright, entering the check-in. Pretty chaotic. The people just don't line up, they just kind of just jump in, but Oi. What happened?
Hell? She just walked cut my back.
We're back. Number 8. I think we're not here for very long. Okay, we're back on the train. I have a bad feeling that we're going to move maybe a few meters and then get off again because we only went out of Laos, we didn't go into China. I'm pretty sure of that. So we've checked out of Laos, but we are kind of in like no man's land at the moment. Okay, the train rolled slowly for about 5 minutes. They kept on checking numbers, and then our phone suddenly said welcome to China, so it looks like that's it, we're in, and we're off to Xishuangbanna. Very exciting. You see that? They're non-stop counting people, up and down the aisles, clicking. It's slowing down, hey? Oh, okay. We rolled for about 10 minutes and we had to get back out again. So this is it, we've actually entered China now. And it looks different. The guards look different. And we're inside People's Republic of China. So now we've got to get our customs done now here and passport check. So I'm not safe yet. On entering China, please adhere to the laws and regulations of the country. Alright, camera's off. Alright, I'm through. That's a big relief. International transfer, we're going to get back on the train now. But the visa free for Australia, that's awesome. He asked me, did I have a visa? And I said no. But then he goes, how long are you going to be here for? And I said, two weeks. And he's like, yeah, no worries. And he just let me through. Welcome to China. It's just like chaos everywhere, just to get in and out of this train. A lot of crazy behaviour. It's all super chaotic here. We've all gone through the China customs now. And we are now just waiting to board the train into Xishuangbanna. That's our final destination for today. It's taken quite a while to get through. It's just because we have to jump on and off the train so many times. So hopefully we get there pretty soon.
Hectic.
Hectic, yeah. Go. Alright. Back on the train, getting good at this. Oh, look at that. It says Kunming direction. Oh. Okay, deja vu.